In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a resume photo in a Canva template. Whether you want to update your professional image or customize your resume to match your personal style, this step-by-step guide will make the process effortless. First, head over to the Canva homepage. In the search bar, type resume. Canva has a wide range of templates designed for different professions and styles. Browse through the options and find one that includes a photo placeholder. Using a template with a placeholder makes updating your image much easier. Once you found a template you like, click on it to see more details. Then select Customize this template. This opens a template in Canva's design workspace where you can make personalized changes to every element of your resume. Now, let's focus on changing the photo. Locate the current image placeholder in the template. On the left sidebar, click on Uploads to add your own image. You can drag and drop a new photo from your computer or select an image you've uploaded before. Make sure the photo is clear and high quality, as this will make your resume look more professional. Next, drag and drop your chosen image into the existing frame. If needed, click on the photo to crop or adjust it so it fits neatly and looks professional. Canva saves your edits in real time, making the process smooth and efficient. Don't forget to experiment a little with the positioning and size so your photo complements the overall design perfectly. With your photo updated, take a moment to review the rest of the resume. Make sure the text, font, colors, and layout all reflect the professional look you want. You can also check for alignment and spacing to ensure everything looks clean and polished. When you're happy with the design, click the download button in the upper right corner and save your updated resume in PDF or your preferred format. And that's it. You've successfully changed a resume photo in a Canva template. A visually appealing, updated resume can make a big difference in catching the attention of potential employers. Remember, small details like a professional photo can significantly enhance your resume's impact. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!